Morning. It is about 4:30 a.m. in Rovaniemi. I am leaving today and I am heading to Stockholm by something I call Mission Impossible, which is where I need to make 1, 2, 3, 4 trains in the next 10 hours. So hopefully everything goes right and come along for the journey. I'm gonna go around. Yeah, one of the hardest things about traveling is waiting for your next, I guess, form of transportation. Right now I'm in Kemi, Finland, waiting for my train to take me to Tornio. Then from Tornio, I walk across the border into Sweden, and then I go to Haparanda station and get my train to Boden. And then from Boden, I get my night train to Stockholm. So it's been already an adventure this morning. Apparently the bathrooms in here, you need to pay with your mobile phone. I don't have a Finnish number, so I needed to go search for a restroom in town. I didn't want to take you along for that because, yeah, it's kind of boring. But yeah, so I found one, did my business, and then came back to the station. So yeah, now I'm just waiting. Already an adventure. And now my train is late by 1 minute. Oh no, what am I gonna do?
Trevlig resa. Dear passengers, this
All right, here I go. About to go through the arduous process of crossing the border into Sweden. The line is so long. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh wow. Oh wait, I'm in Sweden. And there's some cameras to make sure everybody knows who's coming in. And while I personally would have liked to have been greeted by the Swedish bikini team, I think that IKEA is almost just as good. So, welcome to Sweden. A few more trains to catch.
It is so quiet here.
This is what you do when you have some time to kill. Coffee's good though. When you have a completely empty train station, there's only one thing to do, and that is rock out with a little Beethoven. Well, made it to Bowden. Or Buden, or however it's pronounced. Yay! Beautiful Bowden. Still 3 more hours until my train. Yeah, good times. Well, after a full day and night of traveling, I finally made it to Stockholm. So, on my way to my hostel. I still have a little bit to check in, but I'm going to head there, hopefully relax a little bit. Thank you for joining me, and yeah, thank you very much for your time. Get out there.